You are grounded. Wow, what a perfect date to go to the flower club. But I still got COVID-19 virus for now. Oh, there's the school bus. It's dropping me off to the flower club. It will make my COVID-19 go away. Man, I'm still sick. But I'm gonna go to the flower club.
Come on! There's the school bus, Amy. You have to hurry.
Man, I'm still grounded. What should I do? I got an idea. I'm going to make a fake tornado warning. Ha 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 ha. Sadie, this is starting to give me a headache. I agree with you, Elka. This is way too loud. You just hear us. Speak to us now.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning.
What? A tornado?
Greene County, northern Martin County, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Don't tell me it's coming to us.
Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable
A severe thunderstorm? What the heck?
of 30 miles
Lily, you're okay.
35 miles per hour. In addition, a lightning rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong size hail as well.
I think there's a tornado watch on the way.
Livingston, Salt City, Lyons, Newberry, Crane, Fun City, Owensburg, tape come now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
But we're not on a sturdy building right now.
Go home, a vehicle or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
What happened, you two? Guys, there's a tornado. We need to go to a shelter. Oh no, there's a tornado. Let's go. Oh my God, I'm scared. Don't worry.
Hey guys, there was no tornado. It was a prank. Someone with black hair, red dress, and a red hat. Her name was Berishment. I think it was a false alarm. You are safe.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Berishment, how dare you make a fake tornado warning? That's it. You are grounded for 1 week. Go to your room right now.